Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm fixing to be doing this crimping of my head. It's already heated up. Like I said, it's the Conair U-Wave Ultra. And it comes with, where'd my clips go? It comes with 2 clips like this that you can section off your hair. So, yeah. Also want to tell you guys too, I like the Rimmel foundation. I do. This lighting in here is bad, but I love it. And also the liquid eyeshadows I got. I tried these 2 colors. This is okay. I have it on the top right there. You can't get this crap off. You can't get it off. And this is, I mean, it dried pretty fast and all that, but you can't get it off once you get it on there unless you want to take all your makeup off. And I even have this on my lips. I was like, okay, I'll try this on my lips. Eyeshadow, why not? Yes, let's do it. So, anyway, I have a feeling my hair's going to turn out real big. Alright, we're going to get started. Where's my comb? Okay, I have it on high right now. There's a as you can see, there's a low, medium, and a high. And I think it gets up to like 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. But y'all don't burn yourself. Alright, hopefully I don't burn myself. Let's see, I don't really know how to do this. I'm going to clip. I don't know how the bangs are going to turn out because they're kind of shorter. But I'm going to go ahead and clip those back with this alligator clip, like that. I don't know about you guys and where y'all are, but it's cold as a witch's titty here. It is cold. To me it's cold. The sun's shining, but it's cold. I walk outside and it is cold. Alright, let's see what we can do with this head. Probably going to start, well, I don't guess it matters where I start. Let me start on the ends. So I'm going to clip this hair like that. And so I'm just going to get a piece of hair. I don't have any product in my hair. I don't have any hairspray or anything like that. So this is just going with my natural hair. I feel the heat coming off that now. So, what I understand, you got to put this end towards your face. Well, not your face. But, and you hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Like that. And then you move it down to the last crimp. I used to crimp my hair in high school. I haven't done it since high school. So God only knows what this is going to look like. I wish this blue nail polish would come off my nails. I'm so sick of this blue polish and it is just staying on there for like ever. Yeah. Yes, yes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. It's smoking. It is smoking. Y'all see it smoking? I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Crimps. We got some crimps. I'm going to do the other side. Richard's going to come home from work like, what the hell? Yikes. I'm going to have such big hair when this is over with. Ow. Ow. Shut out. I don't know what I'm going to do about those. Ooh. Cool. Good, I'm going to love it. Y'all see it smoking? I think when it's smoking, it's done. What is up with that? I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Oh yeah. Yes, we're still at it. I have a lot of hair. Trying not to get. It's hard. I can't see what I'm doing. I can see it taking me a long time to do this. Going strong, guys. I'm leaving it on there, you know, each time I crimp it about 5 seconds or a little bit longer. I like to do things the easy way. That's not how I roll. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're gonna get started on the top part, and this is gonna be the hard part, I'm thinking, because you know this part is not as long as the rest of my hair. Boo. So anyway, guys, I don't really know which way to part it or anything else, but we're gonna give it a shot here, see what we can do. And this is where I think you're supposed to start like an inch away from your scalp or something like that. Now this is where I'm afraid it's gonna either not look right or it's gonna frizz out. I always get scared when my hair starts smoking. And I don't know about that. You hear the birds? Oh Lord. This is taking a long time. Not quite sure what to do with this part, but obviously I have to curl it because it would look stupid if I didn't. Ooh, I got some big hair. I knew that was going to happen. Look at that's funky. There's always going to be that one little piece that can't act right. Make me want to cut it off. How long? I'm going to go ahead and do this. I don't know why. Am I burning my hair? What's going on? I got to figure out what to do with this. I guess I'll just do it like the rest of them. I don't really know how to do it. Okay. Because I don't want it to be falling in my face, so I'm thinking I will just let the part go a little ways down first, or start. I'll just start the curl or crimp, whatever the heck this is, like a little ways, you know, away from my root. My root. Uh-oh. What's that? I don't know what to say about this. I don't know what to say. Maybe I could do it like this. I don't like that. I need a chair next time instead of standing up. Alright. Damn. Well, I just filmed the whole last of it and my camera wasn't even on. Dang. Anyway, this is it. The finished product. So, I'd say it crimped. It crimped. I don't know what I think about this. It's real, well, it's crimpy. But anyway, that's it. I don't know what the back looks like, but I tried to get all of it, but I had to have a mirror before I could actually tell. So, there we go. Also, if you guys have an Instagram account, follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you, and I'm a little more active on Instagram than I used to be. So, anyway, I told Richard earlier on the phone, I said, my hair looking like yours today. He's going to come home from work, he's going to be like, what the hell? Alright, well, I'm going to let you guys go, and thank you for watching as always, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I'm very excited. Can't wait to hit 2,000 subscribers to do my giveaway. Very excited. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go and try to edit this video. Try to edit the video. And, but yeah, that's what the crimper done to my head. And I'm quite sure it's going to stay like this until the next time I wash my hair. I don't know what I think about that. Alright guys, I'm going to let y'all go. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Mwah! Love y'all. Bye.